In this video we will talk about hair replacement, causes and treatment of hair loss. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Hair losing is a common problem and lots of people are becoming bald due to this problem. Hair loss mainly occurs due to hormones problem or inadequate diet, aging and some other changes in body, and a family record of baldness are the main roots of hair loss. Earlier hair loss can cause a very severe baldness. There are so many options which one can adopt to control hair loss, like hair replacement or hair weaving, transplant, etc. Hair replacement surgery can enhance and increase your appearance and also helps you to regain your self-confidence, but the results won't necessarily match your ideal. Before going for a hair replacement surgery, think carefully about what you want. What are your expectations, and consult your doctor or specialist. Restoring of hairs can only be possible by hair transplantation treatment. When it comes to hair loss replacement, we all want the same result, a natural one, and it can only be possible to some extent with microsurgical hair transplants. This is an advanced technique used in restoring hair. With this method, the process of hair growth is not altered. The results are completely natural and virtually undetectable. After the surgery and proper hair growth, it is undetectable whether the hair which grows are original, natural, or unusual, not natural. Your existing hairs are used in all these hair replacement techniques. Use your existing hair. The main goal of this surgery is to find the most efficient uses for existing hair. Hair replacement patient or applicant must have good hair growth. He must have good amount of hairs at his back and on sides of his head so that these hairs or hair areas can serve as the donor areas. A donor area is that area from which hairs are taken for surgery. Many techniques used in hair replacement surgery. Sometimes, 2 or more techniques are used to achieve the best possible results. Doctors or surgeons use many techniques on the patients or applicant who wants a good amount of hairs on his head. Some of the techniques used by the surgeons are mini grafts, punch grafts, micro grafts, slit grafts, and strip grafts. An individual with very little hair might not be advised to undergo hair replacement surgery. I hope you found some useful information and tips. Let me know which methods you will use. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.